Hello friends, my name is Amul and in this video I'm going to give you the best Xbox 360 modding tool, that is Infinity by VMod. So you can get it from here, vmod.com/infinity. There are good features. This is why Infinity is the best 360 Xbox 360 modding tool. So it's a mods, cheats and trainers for your favorite games. You can download it from here, and these are the feature: auto installed game detection, all your favorite games, over 150 games. So it says choose from our cheat library. So they have cheat library of over 150 games. Game version detection. Okay, so that is clear. Dozens of unique cheats. Hotkey configuration. There is a very wonderful feature that you can remotely, okay, enable cheat in game with touch of a finger. Forget about remembering keyboard shortcuts. So this is a pro feature. If you want to purchase it, you can do so. So this is Infinity from VMode. You can download it and enjoy it. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.